We'll take a look at our mechanical ventilator. This was the first mechanical ventilator tablet-based on the market, came out in 2019. It's our most advanced simulator. And so we'll select it on the instructor. Here's our respiratory curriculum. The most common respiratory conditions are included here. Let's take a look at a simple one. We'll just take a look at a head trauma scenario. And so we can, again, the concept of operations is the same, except on this one we control both the physiology and we control the lung physiology. So I'll show you that. So here, again, the physiology is displayed. If we're good with that, we send it over to the student tablet. And we see a very quick display. These are dynamic waves. So you make your changes and the changes are instantly reflected. We'll show that. But here we can see we have our pressure, flow, and volume waves, and all your standard values right there. So now we'll go ahead and take a look. If we wanted to change the resistance, that's going to change the waveform. We'll see that instantly. So here we're getting a little bit of air trapping, so we can see the changes are instant. The pressure went up. So, you know, those compliance and resistance changes are instant. Same thing, tidal volume, respiratory rate, PEEP, and inspiratory time can all be set as well too. So we operate this one through different scenarios, and this comes with a comprehensive instructor's manual, but basically the scenarios, question, answer. We send media over to the student. The students can see what the problem they're dealing with, and then after that we are going to send them a question. So here is the question to the students, and then they can go from there. So that's a quick look at the mechanical ventilator.